here's one of my sketches I've done in in town. As you can see, it doesn't have to be exact precise, but when we go and try to see if we find, if we are on a 1 point, it is a 1 point perspective because all of these lines, as you can see, they go in one direction to one vanishing point. But here, when we put the ruler right about there, we're going to see that we have the horizon line, which happen to be right at the heads of these two figures here. You see, so these two figures were about eye level with my eyes. So that's where the horizon line is at. So a lot of times you don't have to be that accurate. I mean, you know, you can play a little bit with the Here's another example where we have 1 point perspective because all of the lines are going to one vanishing point, right? And finding the horizon line, we're going to see that's going to be somewhere along here. These lines start going upwards, so, and this start going a little bit downwards, so it's going to be right about there. And when you look at it, it's going to be right about the heads of these figures. So that is my horizon line. And as you can see, it doesn't have to be very well established. You know, these are sketches. We're not machines. We're humans. We want to sketch how we see things. So you don't have to worry about being very, very accurate. Be very close as you can be, and you will be fine. Perfection comes with practice. Remember that. And there are times, no, these are outdoor sketches. These are not finished sketches. So I just do my best to try to figure out, you know, the closest I can get to the real thing. Okay, here I have another example of a 1 point perspective because all of these lines are going all, you know, to one vanishing point. And again, whereas the horizon line is going to be very close to this, you see this window here? They're going to start kind of like slanting a little bit downwards. So we're going to bring this down, and we find out that about right here is where we're going to find the horizon line. So our horizon line is just about the height of these figures also. That means I was pretty much eye level with them, about the same distance. So, okay, here's another example of an outdoor drawing. This one I used to live in Indiana, and also trying to find the horizon line. You see, when it comes to the street, we still see there's a line going downwards, and all of these lines, they go to the same vanishing point. And here, where is the horizon line? When I look at it through the porch line, I'm going to find that pretty much right there is where my horizon line was. Can you see that? Right about there. Like I said before, just go and get different sketches and go get different photographs or whatever material you find, and just get a ruler and just start going, you know, up and down, see if you can find and see where you can find the horizon line and where the vanishing point must be. Have a great day and exercise. That's how you'll get it. Nothing complicated. Goodbye.